Good morning, students. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait few minutes for rest of the students. Then we will start the session. Okay, so let's start the session. Before going to start that, I think you already got the date for your midterm examination, internal examination. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for midterm examination, for digital electronics, your syllabus up to the module 2. Okay, one thing, and today I will upload all the videos in Google Classroom. Just few. Already I uploaded few, and there is rest some videos till now. Okay, so all the videos today I will upload one thing, and module 2. Up to this module 2, it is your syllabus for the midterm examination, one thing. And first of all, today we will discuss that is the Carnot map or K map. I think whiteboard is visible for all of you. It is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So first of all, Carnot map actually scientist Carnot developed in 1953, and in the short form, uh, this Carnot map is denoted here. This is the K map. Okay. So you already know the SOP and POS concept, sum of product and product of sum. And with the help of sum of product and product of sum, in the uh, last class, we already discussed the mean term and max term concept also. Okay. So now one thing that why the Carnot map is used. Okay. So basically, it is used to simplify the Boolean algebraic equation or expression without a Boolean theorem or Boolean laws. Because earlier you saw that there are some Boolean rules, or you can say the Boolean theorem, and with that Boolean laws or theorems, we solve the Boolean expression, or we reduce the Boolean expression. Okay, so in that time, we follow that particular rules or theorem. But for the Carnot maps, actually, we don't remember that particular. We didn't follow the Boolean rules or theorem. Okay, so it is very simpler form, or it is very simple process to get the Boolean expression, or to reduce the Boolean expression. One thing. Okay, so up to up to four variable, it is very easy to solve any Boolean expression, or to reduce the Boolean expression. So after four variable, from five variable, you can say that from five variable, it is little bit difficult. Okay, so in your syllabus, it is the Carnot map is up to five variable. So first we will see the two variable, then three variable, then four variable. Okay, so here for two variable. So for Carnot map or K map, the pictorial view here like that. Two variable. Okay, so, and this bar is for variable. Okay, suppose we have here two variable, that is A and B. Okay, so if the variable is A and B, and based on the variable, we can generate, or we can draw the cell. So here the number of cell equals to 2 to the power n. N means number of variable. So from this, here the variable is 2, that is A and B. So 2 to the power n means 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 means 4. So here for two variable, we construct the here 4 block. Here you can see, and one thing we are denoting here like that. This is 0, the initial stage is 0, and the second one is n 1, and the second here this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, this is the structure of two variable Carnot map. Is there any doubt? हेलो
सर, वो 0 और 1 जो लिखा हुआ है वो इंडेक्सिंग उसी ऑर्डर में होगा?
हाँ, उसी ऑर्डर में नहीं, चेंज नहीं होगा, इनिशियलाइजेशन 0 से ही होगा. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
Okay, so this is up to for two variable. Okay, now we will see that is the three variable. For three variable, this is for two variable. One thing here, I have denoted here, this is A and this is B. You can change the variable name, like you can change, or here you can write this is B and this is A also, but the initialization always start with 0. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now for three variable. Okay. So now you just tell me for three variable, how many block we will get for Carnot map?
8.
Yes,
8.
absolutely. Because for three variable, there is variable is 3 and the number of cell is 2 to the power n equals to 2 to the power 3. So 8. Okay. So there is for three variable, we'll draw here for 8. Okay. Okay. This is for the bar. Suppose here I am writing this is A, B, and this is C. You can change also the variable position and the variable name, one thing. And this is the representation of for the three variable Carnot map. This is the horizontal shape. Okay. So here one thing, that this is two variables. For two variables, this is 0 0, this is 0 1. Now still we have seen that 0 0, the combination or the sequence, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. But the for the case of Carnot map, always remember here this is 0 0. Hello. For the case of Carnot map, always remember here this is 0 0, this is 0 1, this is 1 1, and this is 1 0. Okay. And here this is one variable C. So for here this is 0 and 1. This is the horizontal shape. Okay. There is one shape, that is the vertical. For the vertical, suppose here for this bar is for variable. Suppose here I am writing this is A and this is BC. So in that case, here one variable. So for this case here, initialization start with 0 and this is 1. And for this one, this is 0 0, this is 0 1, this is 1 1, and this is 1 0. Now your question is that, sir, till now we have seen that is the sequence is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, but here you have written that this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. The third sequence you have seen here, this is changing. Okay, so why it is changing? Because here you can see for one step the position you should change the only one position. If we consider the first two, that is 0 0 and 0 1, so here 0 0 is same, only 0 1 is changing. Okay, but for the case of if we write here, this is the next step in the third position. If we write here 1 0, in that case you can see here the both position is changing. Okay, so it is not accepted, and that's why here we have written that is 1 1. Okay, so the second for this here, the 1 and this one is same position, only here one bit is changing. Okay, so that is the reason. That's why in the position number 3 here we have written that is 1 1, and the position number 4 we have written here 1 0. Hello, hello.
Till now, is there any doubt for three variable K-map concept?
No, sir.
Okay, so next is that the four variable. Okay, so for the case of four variable, here so for four variable, how many block we will draw here? How many block we needed for four variable?
16.
16, because 2 to the power 4. Suppose this is AB and this is CD, and the initialization start from here 0 0. This is 0 1. This is 1 1, and this is 1 0. And again here this is here also the two variable. So for this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Okay, this is for the four variable. Okay. So this is the actual the introduction of the K-map concept. So just till now you have seen the two variable. This is for the two variable. This is for the three variable K-map, and this is for the four variable K-map. And we will see that up to four variable, it is very easy to solve any Boolean expression, and up from the five variable, it is little bit difficult. Okay, but in your syllabus, it is up to five variable, and we will see the later part how we will solve the five variable and the don't care. There is a concept about the don't care. Okay, so till now you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now there is some rules for K-map simplification. Okay, so what are the rules? So first of all, you already know what is SOP and POS concept, and to see the expression, or after seeing any expression, we can easily conclude that this is the form of SOP or POS. Okay, so whatever I am now will discuss here. So this rules is for SOP, sum of product. Okay, and after that I will also discuss the POS from also. There is both the rules for same. I will just give you what are the differences. So here this is rules for K-map simplification. First rule, that is groups may not contain 0. I will explain all of these rules step by step. Okay, the second is that we can group on 2 to the power n cells. Third point, each group should be as large as possible. Fourth, cells containing groups may overlap. Second, sixth is opposite grouping. And corner grouping is allowed. And the last point is that there should be as few groups as possible. Okay, so here you can see if we go through the min term and max term, in that case you can see for the case of min term we consider bar for 0 and no bar is for 1. Okay, so this is for the SOP I have said. So here groups may not contain 0. So if we consider for POS, so in that sense you just consider that group may not contain 1. Okay, nothing else. So this is the just the difference. So we consider for POS 0 and for SOP 1. So groups may contain 0. This is for the SOP, and groups may not contain 0. This is for SOP, and groups may not contain 1 for POS. So these are the rules for K-map simplification. Is there any doubt? So we will see here.
सर पीओएस वाला एक बार और बोलिएगा, क्या बोले पीओएस के लिए?
हम बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पर फर्स्ट जो पॉइंट देखो है, यहाँ पर ग्रुप्स मे नॉट कंटेन 0. सो 0 नहीं होगा तो 1 होगा. हेलो हेलो,
यस सर.
तो 0 नहीं होगा तो 1 होगा. ठीक है, हम यहाँ पर ही एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सपोज this is we have the 4 variable K map 1 2. Suppose this is AB and this is CD. So this is G0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and this is 1, 0. This is 0, 0. This is 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. Okay. So when we will solve the K-math simplification, so in that sense, suppose our expression have the SOP form. Okay, like that. So in that sense, whatever we have the expression in, suppose we have ABCD. So ABCD, AB here, this is AB and this is CD. So what block actually here indicates? Hello? ABCD, ABCD here. So ABCD means what block actually indicates here?
Third row, third column.
Third row, third column, because SOP we consider that if there is no bar, so this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1, and this is 1. So this is AB means here this is this third row, and third block, third column means this. Absolutely. So this block is indicate, and here we are writing 1. So groups may not contain 1. Suppose, so we just mention here 1. Suppose there is 0. 0 means we will not consider this 0. We will only consider 1. Okay, so we will only consider here 1. This is for the SOP. Now for the just few minutes later we will discuss for the POS also. Okay, so one thing that groups may not contain 0. So when we will get 0, so this 0 we will not consider for the case of SOP, and we can group here 1, 2, 4, 6 like that to the power n. So we will not see here the 16 cells. Up to this we can see the 8 cells. Okay, so here you can see this is 1. Suppose that this is also get 1. Just 1 minute. तो यहाँ पर देखो, सपोज जो एक्सप्रेशन है, सपोज ए बी सी डी, सपोज प्लस ए बी सी बार डी बार, like that. So there is two term. So suppose ABCD means third row, third column, like that. So AB C bar D bar, what is the what block actually indicates here? AB C bar D bar. Hello.
First row, first column.
फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. फर्स्ट रो में क्या है? AB का वैल्यू क्या है? 0 0. एसओपी कॉन्सेप्ट में AB यहाँ पर कैप नहीं है, तो इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा?
Second row, sir.
सेकेंड रो,
Third row, sir. Third row.
थर्ड रो,
Third row. First column.
फर्स्ट कॉलम. एब्सोल्युटली. जस्ट 1 मिनट. तो 1 मिनट. Third row, first column. Okay, so here you will mark 1. So here you can see this is a combination. So you can club or you can group these two like that. Okay, suppose anything. So suppose here this is a double club. Suppose here you get 1 1 1. So you can club this also. This is a quarter grouping. Okay. Only whenever we are getting one, actually whenever we are getting, so in that sense here we just mark one, and after marking we can club that particular one only for the SOP. Is there any doubt? Is there any query or doubt?
सर एक एग्जांपल और करके बताइए सर, तो और क्लियर हो जाएगा।
बोल रहे हैं। This is AB and this is CD, and this is 4 variables. So this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Okay. Suppose this is A bar B CD plus A bar B bar CD. So from this expression, you just tell me actually what block indicate in that particular K map first.
Second row, third column. वो वाला first वाला.
हाँ बोलो। हेलो।
First वाला second row, third column.
A bar B. A bar
Oh
B.
sir, okay okay. तो third row, second column.
Third row, second column. ये वाला, ये वाला.
Yes sir.
ठीक है. और सेकंड वाला A bar B bar C D.
Third row, first column.
So now, as per your expression, you got the two block here. Okay. So you also mark here. So you can mark or group only one, but here you can see there is 2 1. So our aim is to mark highest number. Highest number means we can mark this one and we can mark this one, but it is not accepted. Okay. We here we will club these two. Please unmute yourself. Ankita, mute yourself. So for this, you will club like that. This is 1. Suppose here I am getting this is 1 1 1. Suppose. So in that sense, you will mark like that. This is a group. Okay. Our aim is to get the highest number of group, or we will consider the highest number of block for one group. It is clear? I am not getting your voice. Sorry. Hello. Hello.
सर इसमें मतलब कि हम न्यू ग्रुप बना सकते हैं सबसे, मतलब ओवरलैप करने का अगर आएगा तो
हाँ
इसमें कर
ओवरलैप,
सकते हैं।
हाँ ओवरलैप का कॉन्सेप्ट है, हम बाद में बोल रहे हैं। ओवरलैप के, हाँ ओवरलैप हो सकता है।
इसमें मतलब सर पेयर में ही रहेगा ना हमें सर?
हाँ पेयर में होना चाहिए।
अच्छा।
मुस्कान क्या रिपीट करना होगा, एक बार बोलो।
सर ये क्वेश्चन
सॉरी आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर वॉइस अगेन, आई थिंक यू आर फेस।
ये
बोलो। हेलो। This question, what is your question? I am not getting. And all of,
मतलब सर एक चीज पूछना है सर। हेलो सर,
बोलो बोलो।
इसमें सर डायगोनली चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा? इसमें हो सकता
चलेगा
है?
चलेगा, हम बाद में बोल रहे हैं, सब एक एक करके हम बोल रहे हैं। वहां पर देखो पॉइंट है डायगोनल वाला, हम बोल रहे हैं डायगोनल सब होगा, हम बोल रहे हैं एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप। ठीक है।
ठीक है ठीक है।
And I am requesting you all the students that write your name in the chat box for the attendance. Only 2 to 3 minutes left, and for the first session write your name in the chat box. I am giving you only 1 minute. Still there is 2 person who is not given till now the attendance. Still there is 3 students. I am getting only the 27 responses. But at this moment 30 students in this class. The time is almost over. So after the 5 minutes, you just join in the same link. There is a class. You just joined with the same link.